Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create anchor links on Wix at 2026. So what is an anchor link? An anchor link takes users to a specific section on the same page or another page instead of the top. So for example, one page websites jump to section, a button, a table of content, and along landing pages, etc. So to do that, you will need at first to open the Wix editor, and to do that you will need to click on my site right here, and then just go to all sites option, and after that just select the site that you want. And right now I really do want you to go and click on design sites on the top right of the page, and after that just go and click on add elements on the left. So right now I do want you to go and select menu and anchor. So you all need to go and anchor section, and after that just choose one and click it and drag it to the page. So right now you all need to rename the anchor. That's optional but recommended. So the anchor is invisible to the visitors. So let's give it a name, for example home, and after that you can add URL as well right here, or you can go with copy URL, go to URL, and after that the anchor will be on your page as well, so you can just adjust it as you want. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.